Unbeaten in the Ray and the Nephew Jamaica Premier League since the start of the new year. That's a streak leaders Montego Bay United want to continue. They will be tested by the inconsistent defending champions Cavalier on Sunday at Jarrett Park, starting at 3 p.m.
With 14 wins so far in the Jamaica Premier League, Montego Bay United have no equal when it comes to that statistic. The nearest to them, Portmore United and Mount Pleasant FA, are 4 wins back. And the cards have fallen into place since the turn of the new year. They have played 8 matches over that period, winning 6 times in an unbeaten run. Cavalier are their next opponent, but Montego Bay United's Xavier Gilbert isn't carried away by the title holders' poor form.
Cavalier is a team, trust me. They know how to find a way to get the results. No matter how bad you see they look in patches. They don't have the same quality players for sure. But, you know, it's going to take some time. There's a lot of new players there, and it's going to take some time for them to get it right. But nevertheless, it's still a tough opposition every time we play. And we're anticipating that. And we just hope that we can continue a good vein of form.
But the man who has done the damage for Montego Bay United in terms of scoring the goals has departed for greener pasture. Jordan Fletcher is not only the top scorer, but also the league's leading goal scorer with 14 goals, but he has since signed a contract with the Vietnamese league. A big miss for Montego Bay United, but coach Xavier Gilbert says the show must go on.
It is what it is. It's part of you know, we just want to wish him all the best and hope that he gets better wherever he goes and continue to perform. Yeah, we're definitely going to miss him, but somebody got to step up and you know, it's an opportunity for somebody else to shine, and somebody just got to grab it. You know, I think we still have a capable person.
Other matches on the day will see second place Racing United playing away to Malines United in a game of the chess players at the Constant Spring Field. The two have combined 23 drawn games, with Racing United contributing to 12 of them. Mount Pleasant FA, who failed to score a goal against Treasure Beach in their last 2 outings, will be at home to Dumbarton at Draxall. Dumbarton are one of 2 teams to beat the Caribbean champions this season. Waterhouse came from the cold to now being the hottest team in the league. They've recorded 4 wins on the trot and now await Tivoli Gardens, who they have not beaten in their last 3 meetings. The two will meet at Jerusalem at 7 p.m. Chapelton Maroons will host Treasure Beach in the South Coast Derby at Turner's Oval. Only a point separate the two, with Chapelton holding the edge. And Spanish Town Police and Harbour View will meet in the Battle of the Cellar Dwellers at the Royal Lakes Field. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.